We live. We live, we live, we live. We live, we back. Casper? What's Casper doing? Having a bit of a retrace? That's fine. That don't mean nothing if you hold 10,000 Casper. Trust and believe it will be life changing, man. If you hold 10,000 Casper, it will be life changing, man. Don't think 10,000 Casper is not going to get you far in life, man. It will. I'm telling you guys. Build on all the wins you could get in crypto, man. And 10,000 Casper is one of those wins you could brag about to your friends and family. Hey, I bought 10,000 Casper and I made $50,000, man. Think about that. Think about that. You don't think that's possible? Trust and believe that is possible, guys. If you got 10,000 Casper, man. Whoa, 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 whoa. What is on my timeline? What is on my timeline, bro? Crazy stuff on my timeline. My notifications were popping just a second ago. Oh, here we go. Okay. Alright, cool, cool. Alright, people taking notice of this video, man. Okay. I pinned it to my profile. Nice, nice, nice. Where the Caspians at? Y'all tuning in? Where y'all at, man? Let me share it in my Telegram group. Share the stream in the Telegram group, man. Let's go, Caspians. Let's go, Caspians. I think the daily chart looks much better, actually. Gives us, you know, the hour chart is great, but the daily chart looks very interesting. KAS could just wreck all the beers that I think we're gonna retrace here. KAS could literally just wreck all the beers, man. Everybody that thinks we're gonna come down here, KAS could just wreck all the beers and just bang. Beers wrecked. It really could do that, man. I wouldn't be surprised it does that. This project is such a monster. This project is such a beast. Wreck. What's up, Michael? Thanks for joining the stream. Let me get the pop-out chat going. Get the pop-out chat going. Thanks for tuning into the stream, my guy. I wouldn't be surprised, man. I wouldn't be surprised Casper just gets the beers wrecked, man. Thinking we're gonna go lower. It just does the unthinkable like it always does. There we go. Okay. Make sure I can see the names on stream. Raise this up a bit. Could just blast. It could just blast and then get listed and blast. Hey, you saw what Pepe did for the Binance listing, man. See how Pepe just went like 16x on the Binance listing from 100 mil to like 1.6 billion or 1.8 or 1.8, something like that, right? You know, the listings go. I think the listings should happen going into the top of the bull market, though. Like going into the peak, that's when they should happen, man. Like, just peak euphoria, kind of like explosion, like what Dogecoin and all the others did, man. That'd be amazing. So I don't think we should rush the listings. I think they should be timed perfectly for the top of the cycle, man. That's how you could see a $3, $5 cash, because it's just gonna be so much FOMO and euphoria, you know. How we feeling though, Mike? I'm feeling pretty good, man. Clean the crib up. I got the crib clean, you know. Got my videos out for today. What's up, Matthew? Thank you for joining the stream, Matthew. I don't think I saw you around already before, but since if you're new, I got some questions I want to ask before we get into it. First off, what was your first crypto? When did you get into crypto? Where are you from? And what is your family life like? Also, as far as the technicals go, you can see my lines drawn. You know, you can see where my lines are drawn. You know, we might retrace down here to 4 cent area and then consolidate and then bounce like we did back here in at the start of September. First crypto was Doge just before the last bull run. That means you made money on Doge. Awesome. You just found my channel. Okay, awesome, Matthew. Thank you. What video did you see? Bought it on a dare and forex very fast. Somebody dared you to buy it. It was like, I dare you to buy Dogecoin, and you bought it and made a forex. That's hilarious. What video did you find my channel with? Let me know. What's up, Cozy? Thanks for joining the stream. Stream seems to be working pretty fine today, man. Oh, you search Casper. Okay, awesome, man. I popped up. Oh, that's awesome. I popped up. Thank you, YouTube. YouTube, thank you for recommending me, man. Gotta give props to YouTube, even though they take so much out of my revenue. Gotta give props to them for recommending me. Not a lot of coverage for this coin, and that's pretty encouraging. Means we're early. Yeah, man, I see more and more people waking up to it. It's only a matter of time till you see like Casper channels getting like 10,000 to 20,000 views per video. That was my first crypto was XRP, because you know the community of XRP is just so massive. The first crypto videos I saw was just XRP videos with like 10,000, 20,000 views, 30,000 views. I was like, what is this? Why are so much people talking about it? You know, and it's only a matter of time till like Kaspa channels or people that cover Kaspa get that same type of viewership, and then it cements itself in the space like an XRP, man. I'm telling you, that's what it really takes for like a project to be cemented, the community, you know. I'm telling you, no way a top 50 market cap stays under the cover so long. It's because it doesn't have like VC funding and all that huge marketing money and all of that stuff, right? It's just community based, but that's what's so bullish about it, you know? Because at the end of the day, what I've noticed in crypto, what makes cryptos explode the most, in my opinion, is community, right? The more awareness the project has, the more people that are bullish and talking about it, the more it explodes. That's really what it boils down to, because they gotta, in order for you to get new buyers in, you know, in order for you to get new buyers in, you have to have awareness, you know. A majority of the time, that's through community and word of mouth, right? So the Casper community, Caspians are absolutely amazing, you know. We as Caspians are absolutely amazing with like just awareness and like, you know, what the project is, you know, the technological standpoint of the project as well. You know, a lot here, like it checks all the boxes. It got the community, It got the utility. It got it has decentralization, and it's fear, right? It's very fear. The only way you could lose in CAS is if you get out traded by someone. You know, like for example, the only way you could lose, I mean, you don't lose until you sell, but I'm just saying, like for example, the only way for you to lose in CAS is if like you buy an all-time high and then you panic sell, right? Instead of just holding. That's the only way you can lose, because you're the only people in the space that is dumping on you or selling on you is other retail investors. Unlike, you know, these a lot of projects in the space where like the team has like huge token allocations and they're just dumping on the market every month or every couple weeks through a vesting schedule just to enrich themselves, you know. What's up, Matthew? Not what's up, Matthew. Matthew said I know, right? Yeah. Shout out to you, Matthew. Thank you for joining the stream. Ear, what's up, Ear? You don't think CAS is gonna dip that low? You don't think it's gonna come back down to that 4-cent range? I'm just looking where the support levels are, man. You have support levels right here. That's a support level, and another support level right here at this wick. So this is those are the ranges for the support levels. Anywhere in this range down here. Now again, it could just do this, bang. It could just do that. It really could. And it's a monster, a unicorn, so I wouldn't be surprised it just does that. It could just do that, you know. You think of BTC? Oh yeah, with October is right around the corner. You got a good point here. You have a very good point. BTC is gonna bring up a lot of projects. You got a good point there. So that means my line, this line, the bonk line, the bonk line is also in play. The bonk line is also in play, bonk. But I just got to be realistic, you know, because you got resistance you got to fight here for CAS, right? You got resistances, and this looks kind of like a, you know, a double top pattern. You know, because it had its all-time high here, that's one top, another all-time high here, that's another top, that's a double top, right? Typically double tops are bearish, so you retrace on those. But if BTC stay being a stable coin, then the dip seems inevitable. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, but if we get October, Bitcoin, you know, could bring up a lot of things. Looking kind of green here. I see the Pepe fam kind of like waking up Pepe. I'm kind of upset at that, to be honest. You know, I'm kind of upset the Pepe fam kind of waking up Pepe. Still got resistance levels though, so you know, we'll see what happens with Pepe. But Pepe could be a good indicator of what's gonna happen for altcoins as well too, because in the last run for Pepe, it ran first, and then a lot of altcoins started to rally after the fact. So if Pepe's moving up, you could potentially see CAS move up too, man. You really could. Could start to see CAS do what Pepe's doing as well. Not to say their price action is correlated. I'm just saying, like, Pepe could be front running the market since it's a meme, right? $20 into a bunch of silly meme coins. Hey, Matthew, you gotta have some Pepe, man. CAS is cheap on Trade Ogre. Is that an arbitrage opportunity? It's probably cheap on Trade Ogre because there's not much liquidity, right? The buy orders and sell orders might be like super far away from each other. That's why. You see, the Trade Ogre peer is a Bitcoin Casper peer, so that's why you won't see. Is that the only chart for? Yeah, that's the Trade Ogre. Okay, so yeah, it's a Bitcoin Casper peer, so that's why. That's why the price is so cheap. You know, it's still basically the same price. That's the only peer they have, a Bitcoin Casper peer. So it's showing 3 cent here. It is showing 3 cent here, but look at the orders. And again, it's a Bitcoin Casper pair. So the sell order, let me see. This is such a confusing exchange. I hate using Trade Ogre. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Price BTC. Amount. Yeah. Amount BTC. Amount cash. But you see, that's what I'm saying. You see why it's 0049 because it's the BTC. It's the Bitcoin pair, right? It's not the USDT pair, but it basically equals to the same thing, right? So you're not actually getting a discount. The Bitcoin pairs are also always like showing a different price. I don't fully like I don't fully understand how it works, right? But it's basically the same price, you know. You could go through altcoins like KAS. So you see the BTC pair, the Bitcoin pair is like 00018, but it's still the same market cap as you could see here on ZX, right? Still the same market cap. So the BNB pair is less, but it's still the same market cap. So it doesn't necessarily make a difference. You're not actually getting any gains. Thinking like, oh, I could buy KAS super cheap on the Bitcoin pair. It doesn't work like that. If it did, that'd be a nice cheat code, but it doesn't work like that. You know. I thought it was an arbitrage opportunity. I don't think that. Let's go back to Trade Ogre. I don't think the USDT pair is the same thing. I don't think so. KAS, you see the USDT pair right here is 29 cent on Trade Ogre, 29 cent. But like I said, the sell and buy orders are probably like sky high away. You know, like people are selling. They got a sell order here. Oh, no, okay, looking like an arbitrage opportunity actually. Let me see. Where's the buy orders? Looking like an arbitrage opportunity, maybe. You know, even if it's an extra cent difference. Where's the taking them? Let's see. I hate this exchange so much. I can't see the I see the sell orders. People are willing to sell for 3 cent. I'm trying to see the buy orders. Hey, this is an arbitrage opportunity for some cheap KAS right here, guys. That's what it looks like. If you're trying to buy some cheap KAS at 3 cents still. Where's the buy orders though? Let me zoom out. Let me see. Maybe I can't see it because I'm too zoomed in. 06. And see. Okay, so people are. Yeah, man. Okay. Hold on. I think Matthew could save you guys like a little cheaper KAS, man. Look at this. They got people selling KAS for like a 6,000 sell order at 3 cent. 97,000 at 3 cent. Hey, hey, what's his name? Matthew probably discovered something here, man. You read the website on Pepe? It's hilarious. Yeah, Pepe's. You gotta get Pepe, man. Pepe's a for sure bag meme coin. I wonder if a lot of BTC maxis will be interested in KAS. I think so. Let's go diverse. Mr. Joe, buy me some as well. I'll PayPal you. You can't arbitrage withdrawals are disabled on TradeOrder. Ah, thank you, HD. They're disabled. Oh, okay, so that's why it's like that. Interesting. What's up, Ulysses? Thanks for joining the stream. Joel, oh, I discovered it. Love. That's why it's like that. You can't withdraw. That makes sense. Shout out to Joel as well. HD said you can't withdraw on trade. Withdrawals are disabled on TradeOrder, so you can't arbitrage. That would have been a great arbitrage opportunity, guys. It's just that the TradeOrder price is just cheap. Yeah, but I wouldn't. I wouldn't even keep my KAS on this exchange. They smarter than we are, man. What about transfers? I'm not sure about transfers. Address on blockchain. They remove your coins from your wallet. Oh, see? HD. This is one of the super risky exchanges as well. Super sketchy. Okay, that makes sense. They have to have some type of exit? Probably not. That'd have been a nice arbitrage opportunity, man. Like, literally. Could be an elaborate scam. I mean, this is one of the sketchy exchanges. Y'all see how TXBit went down? Like, recently TXBit went down. One of the first exchanges to list KAS. How that just went down like it's nothing. You know, obviously it didn't make mainstream news because we are on the early side of crypto, you know. Exchange strategies simply have no off-ramp. Nah, but honestly, look at the sell orders. Like, you could get cheap KAS, but what's his name said you can't. HD said you can't withdraw because you could have bought the cheap KAS here on TradeOrder and then take it to Mexi, right? you could have bought the cheap KAS and take it to Mexi, and that would have been like what? How much profit that would be? How much percent profit that would be? Like 20%? Even more than 20%. Like a 50% profit, just like that, man. That's crazy. But you can't withdraw. So they were smarter. Yeah, that's a 50% profit right there. If you could withdraw, but you can't. According to HD. That's crazy though. That'd have been a nice arbitrage opportunity, guys. If it sounds too good to be true, it is. Yeah, man, that'd have been a nice arbitrage opportunity right there. Shrek Exchange, it is. Well, it is called TradeOrder. Because why haven't those same guys sold it on Binance, right? Right. Because they can't withdraw it, that's why. It used to be one of the best. What's up, Flux? You saying TradeOrder used to be one of the best? Yeah, these smaller exchanges though, man, they fall off super quick. Arbitrage early in August. What was you arbitraging? Yeah, it makes sense. They can't withdraw, so they're just trying to sell off. Exactly, yeah. Yeah, exactly. They're trying to sell off because they can't withdraw. Probably bought in cheap, yeah. Oh, you was able to withdraw KAS by a max of 5,000. Ooh. Crazy. Flux, man, you gotta put me on to these arbitrage opportunities, man. Like, there's so much ways to make money in crypto. Arbitrage is one of them, man. And if you guys are tuning into the stream, listen to Diverse. Like the stream, subscribe, turn on all notifications, share the videos with your friends and family, become a channel member. Let's get to 100 channel members, and feel free to donate to help keep the lights on, guys. You know, I made a Casper video like yesterday or so. Only got 100 views on that, man. The crypto channel viewership is abysmal. So your super chats really go a long way, you know. Yeah, they're not giving a reason why KAS can't withdraw, but I would guess they have liquidity issues because of phantom coins. Their support is not responding. All we can do is hope and wait for a fix. Up, HD. That sounds kind of sad. That sounds like the exchange might be going down, man. It sounds like Trade Ogre might be going down. I wouldn't be surprised a couple days from now they put out a statement there, you know, and then Trade Ogre. Then by August 20th, all withdrawal failed. Oh my gosh, what happened there? Trade Ogre requires no KYC for Trade Ogre. You could just send over your crypto. You can send over your crypto and start trading. I don't think any KAS holder is gonna have trouble paying the lights. Not in the future. Good thing I only have 25k KAS left. Then last week I spiked. It spiked to 0.42. I was able to sell at 0.39. Okay, but this is gonna be the issue that they're gonna face, because people are gonna just keep dropping their sell orders that much lower, because they're realizing, whoa, we got liquidity issues here. So that's why the sell orders are getting so low, because people are trying to get out. They're trying to get out, right? Look, it even wicked down to all the way 2 cents. It wicked down to 2 cents over here, man, on the 22nd. People are trying to get out, and they don't have anybody to sell to, right? The buy orders are super low. The buy orders are super low. Ain't got nobody to sell to. Interesting. Today we eat ramen, tomorrow probably ramen anyway, but like better ramen. Yeah, Matthew. I just risked a little bit of extra money. I had about some cheaper KAS on Trade Ogre. If they fix the withdrawal, I got some KAS cheaper. If they don't, it's okay. I lost some money. Yeah, man, HD. I wouldn't be surprised, like some days from now you see a statement, thank you for using our exchange, Trade Ogre. Unfortunately, this is the end of our journey. It's been fun with you guys, but we are about to end the Trade Ogre exchange here. Just like TXBit. What's up, Dave? Hi, everyone. Not sure what is happening with YouTube. I get notifications for your posted videos, but not live streams. Must be the big banks blocking you. Well, typically what happens when you make free videos, the first free videos send out notifications, but the fourth and anything after don't get a notification. So that's why you got the notifications for the free videos, but not the live stream. So it's not the big bankers blocking me this time. Now if the stream was the first thing I did for the day and you didn't get a notification, then I'd be worried. I'd be like, what? Trade Ogre looks a bit scamish. Looks like one of my university projects. TXBit, Trade Ogre, ZegX, all three of them are like super high risk exchanges, and we see what happened with TXBit, you know. And I ain't no Yada. Joel, you're a comedian, man. But yeah, if you're tuning into the stream, Caspians, I see we got 23 people tuning in and 10 likes. A like is free, man. Please like the stream. Let's get to 20 likes. If you hold 10,000 Casper, man, that could potentially be $50,000 in the future. Aren't you gonna be happy for those type of gains, guys? Come on, man. That could potentially be $50,000 from $500. Tell me you ain't happy with those type of gains. Smash the like, everyone. Exactly. Listen to Dave, man. Oh, you was there since 2020? Flux? What the heck? You probably made a ton of money then. You was probably catching gems in 2020 on Trade Ogre. What the heck? I didn't even know it existed that long. I only knew about these exchanges thanks to Casper. I never knew about them else otherwise. That's crazy. Like the stream, subscribe, turn on notifications. Share the videos with y'all friends and family. Become a channel member. Feel free to donate to help keep the lights on, guys. Your super chats are highly appreciated. I didn't even know it existed that long, Flux. You probably made some money. You probably rolling in the bank trading on Trade Ogre in 2020. Just before the bull run too? Jeez. You probably rolling in the bank, man. 27 people tuning into the stream. Caspians, like the stream, subscribe. You know, people might be like, well, 10,000 KAS it's too late for KAS. I only got like $500 to invest. It's too late for KAS. You know how 10,000 KAS could potentially be $50,000 in the future? Come on, man. 10,000 KAS could go a very long way, guys. You might not think it, but I'm telling you, it could go a very long way. KAS goes to $5, you make $50,000 from $500. You're not happy for gains like that? You aren't happy for gains like that? Then why are you in crypto? Come on, man. What's up, Kevin? I'm just a poor guy, man, friend, just like the rest of us. Nah, man, you rich, man. You rich mentally, man. It's only a matter of, you're rich mentally and physically. Well, mentally and spiritually, it's only a matter of time until you're rich physically as well. You know, don't say you're poor, man. Say you're rich, man. Put that positive thinking out there. What's up, Paul? Thanks for joining the stream. What's up, Cozy? Facts. Hey, and people gonna be like, yo, it's too late for KAS. It's at $1 billion market cap. It's too late. It's at $1 billion market cap. It's at $1 billion. It's too late. Nah, bruh. You got 10,000 KAS, $500 for 10,000 KAS. This thing goes to $1 to $5 in the bull and really follows the Cardano fractal, the Ethereum fractal. That's $50,000, man, from 500. You ain't happy for that? You ain't happy for that? Come on, man. Why are you in crypto? Why are you in crypto then? Michael coming through clutch with the $10 dono. Thank you so much, Michael. Thank you so much, man. Hey, if y'all tuning into the stream, follow in Michael's footsteps, man. I bet you got Caspians in the chat that can't go bar for bar with Michael, man. I dare y'all to go bar for bar with Michael. You ain't got it like that, man. Flux, I am 35x with my KAS still holding. Exit plan $1 or 2025 June, whichever comes first. Yeah, man. Nice exit plan. 35x, awesome. You're up very nice. Because you were using Trade Ogre and these exchanges early, that's why you're so early to KAS. Awesome, Flux. I'm telling you, man. That's why I say, don't say you're a poor guy, man. You're 35x up on KAS. You got to put that mentality out there that you're rich, man. Put it out there in your mind, man. Law of attraction, you know. Manifest, you know. Whatever you speak into existence, man. Don't say you're a poor guy. Let's see. Never too late, especially for KAS. That's right, Cozy. DCA, 50% KAS, 50% quant every week until BTC breaks its all-time high and hold till over 100K. That's right, IGN. IGN, man, I'm gonna start making quant videos, man. I gotta start scooping up some quant. I gotta start making some quant videos and scooping up quant, man. I think from tomorrow I'm gonna start making quant videos because, you know, quant just, to me, is so good. It's so good. I'm gonna do another top 5 video and talk about quant. Quant is so good, man. The more I look into it, the more I'm like, yo, this is a good project, man. Quant. I like quant, man. I'm start DCAing the quant, man. Nice level to DCAing the quant. I just need some degen trades to play out so I could get some big bags of these projects, man. It's hard to follow your gut instinct. That's right. That's right, Paul. It's hard to what you write? Let me see. I can't see properly. It's hard to say how far this coin could go. Yeah, man. Let me extend this so I can see better. I can't see. Where's Sketch at? Sketch is waiting until I talk about meme coins like ladies. I was mining it last year before the ETH merge. Okay, so Trade Ogre is legit. It's been around. It's been risky. It's one of them extra like risky exchanges, man. Just like TXBit. And now you got Casper drama, where people can't withdraw their Casper. That's a bad sign, Joel. You know, obviously people might take a chance and be like, go on the exchange to buy a 3-cent CAS for cheaper. But only buy like a little, man. Only buy like a little, okay? If you're going to do that, if you're going to take that risk. Words really do speak into existence. It's crazy. Yes, it is, here. I'm telling you. Quant is my other coin too. Hey, I'm going to start talking about Quant on the channel, man. The more I look into Quant, the more I'm bullish, man. If CAS gets to reach $1, I will super chat you with $1,000. Hey, thank you, Flux. Hey, Flux, I'm gonna write that down. Let me put it right here. I'm gonna save it. Flux will super chat $1,000 at $1 CAS. Okay, I'm gonna put it right here. My thing for my channel members. Be a man of your word, Flux. Okay, it's right there, Flux. Okay, I bet $1 CAS. Flux is gonna be ghost. He gonna be on an island. he gonna be on an island sipping pina coladas, not checking the internet. Talking about, oh yeah, I'm a super chat you 1,000 when CAS at $1. You're gonna be on an island sipping pina coladas, man. I know what kind of person you be, man. I know what kind of person you be. You're gonna be with all the females, you know, all the ladies in the bikinis. You can be like, I could care less about the internet. Blockchain Daily, who is that? Who is Blockchain Daily? I'm a Casper rich. I'm a rich Caspian now. Nice to see we're all on the same page. So my Quant for CAS. Me too. Quant and CAS and Seller. I'm gonna start talking about CAS, man. Trade Ogre is very legit until CAS drama. Yeah. Have you looked at Cal? It's completely different from anything else. Oh, Calcium? I have seen Calcium, Dave. I saw Calcium actually like 5x before it was up at the price it's at now. Because I saw it on Twitter where like they said the Shiba deployer sent it. Next bag to fill is FET. Cozy! Since Sketch not here, it's safe. Cozy, thank you so much for the $10 dono. Thank you for the super chat. Really appreciate it, man. It really means a lot. Next bag to fill is FET. FET. Oh, FET. FET? FET? What is FET? FET? Fetch AI. Oh, the AI. Because I was like, FET. What am I? FET. I know about FET. It's Fetch. This is one of the better. There's two good AI projects: Fetch AI and Singularity Net. Ajax. Those are the only two. Those are the two good AI projects. Everything else is a high risk, high reward play. You know. But Ajax and FET, yeah, those are the two good AI projects. Yeah. I agree with you on FET. Yeah. I never disappoint. Okay, if you say so, Flux, I'm gonna keep it right here. Anytime I scroll down, after I say channel members, I'm gonna scroll down. Flux will super chat $1,000 at $1 CAS. So I'm gonna keep it right there, man. There's enough of us to buy a country with all our CAS. Let's go, Matthew. Diverse. Yeah, Cozy. Cozy trying to go bar for bar with Michael. Oh shit. Y'all trying to go bar for bar? Who gonna follow in Cozy's footsteps, man? Matthew, Flux, y'all gonna follow in Cozy's footsteps? Diverse. I gave 10k CAS to someone in Discord the last year when the price was below 0.05. I hope he's still holding. He probably already sold. He probably already sold because he didn't believe in it at 0.05. Not a fan of the sell-off on the ICO. Always trigger me when I see an ICO with huge sell in the same day. Yeah, a lot of these projects, that's pretty much the case, man. You know, The team has a ton of token allocations, but the good part is with FET now, like the full supply is basically out, you know. 1.1 billion, 813 million circulating. The full supply is basically out, so there's not going to be any more major sell-offs from the team now, you know, which is you know, that's what happens in the space. And the chart don't look too bad, you know. It doesn't look like a complete like rug pull like a lot of other projects. It's 40 cents, like it's 2x to get back to its initial launch pump. So the chart doesn't look bad here, like it really doesn't. You know, it's only 2x back to its initial launch pump, and then a 3x back to all-time high, or a 4x back to all-time high. That's not bad here at all. This is not a bad chart for FET. Yeah. So I can't hate on FET. Nah, don't start this. Listen to Diverse. Hey, y'all see what Diverse just typed in the chat, man? Like the stream, subscribe, turn on all notifications, share the videos with your friends and family. Become a channel member. Let's get to 100 channel members, and feel free to donate. Help keep the lights on, man. Remember, Flux will super chat $1,000 at $1 CAS, man. You know, remember. 50x easy, yeah. From 170 million, 172, 50x. Let's see what kind of market cap is that. What kind of market cap is that? A 50x, 8.6 billion. Oh, that's not difficult in a bull run, Michael, that's not difficult in a bull run at all, man. I'm gonna have to do another AI, you know, top 5 AI projects, top 10 AI projects once again, man. I'm part of a worldwide AI IT company. One passive, Ash, Mufare team on passive. Okay, nice, Paul. FET looks great. I was looking at the other AI. I think not enough zeros on the calculator when adding up the CAS money. Ain't that right, Matthew? Yeah, FET and Ajax are the two top, you know, AI projects. I think INJ is an AI project as well. If y'all know about INJ. See, like Ajax's chart, like you see 10x back to its all-time high. Still not bad. 10x back to the all-time high. That's not bad. But you know, FET's chart looks way better, right? FET's chart look way better. Is INJ an AI project? Let me see. Where's the tags at? It is AI. Okay. It is AI. So INJ is also a great altcoin. I'm gonna have to talk about INJ. You see this chart right here? This chart looks good. 600 mil market cap. That $1 entry was great for INJ, honestly. The $1 entry was the perfect sweet spot. But that was January, you know. I kind of hate that. I'm so upset with crypto. Like, if you miss a buying opportunity, it just never comes back. It never comes back, man. That's so annoying. So annoying. But yeah, INJ is also a great AI project you can take a look at, Michael. INJ is also very good, man. People are really liking INJ. You know, so I might make a video of top 5 INJ projects. Oh, you do like INJ? Okay, nice. Looks like a fear launch, yeah. Yeah, not even not millions of projects out there, and only a handful of good ones. You know, only a handful. You know, if you got a portfolio, just make sure CAS is in your portfolio. Just make sure you got CAS first, and then you start working on everything else. Because I do believe in a diversified portfolio, you know. I do believe in a diversified portfolio. But make sure you got CAS first, and then you focus on everything else, man. In my opinion. I bought some TRB last month, and it's blasting. I've heard of TRB. It said it's blasting. Whoa, look at that, up 30%. Wow. I remember people trading this on Coinbase. Yep. There's a group I was in where people just trade Coinbase projects. 30% move, man. 2x up. 2x up, man. 2x up, $30 to 60. Whoa, look at this. And it's been out since 2020 and the chart looks like this. That's awesome. Nice, Michael. Clap it up for Michael, man. You got a nice 2x right there, man. Clap it up for Michael. Chart don't look bad either. And it's been out since 2020, but it still like looks good. Like this doesn't look bad at all, Michael. Nice 2x right there. I have both AI tokens you mentioned. Started my DCA below 30 cents. Okay, Flux. Yeah, Fed and Ajax are great. Also look into INJ, Flux. INJ is great also, man. I think INJ is gonna be one of the ones that actually gives the like, where is it at? 500 mil market cap right now. I think INJ could still give you like a 50x. I think a 50x is possible here. How much is a 50x on 600 mil market cap? Let me see. Maybe I said too high. Maybe a 30x. 50x, 30 bill. Okay, that might be a bit too much for INJ. What's a 30x? Yeah, 30x on INJ. Okay, I think a 30x is possible on INJ. And it's brand new as well. Or is it? Oh, it's not brand new. It's been out since 2020. And that's what I'm saying, man. You never know what happens with, like, you never could tell what could happen with a crypto, man. It's out since 2020? What? What? So that means, what's it called? TRB, Michael. TRB might go straight to 500 mil market cap from here. You know, you might see a 500 mil market cap TRB. Honestly. Yeah, this is a easy 10x for the bull run. This is an easy 10x TRB for the bull run. Anything beyond that, I don't know, because I don't see much people talking about it. But this is an easy 10x for the bull run right here. That TRB. Sketch. Thank you for the $50 donation. Ah, man, I need to invest in a soundboard, man. I need to invest in a soundboard. Let me get some type of sound effect going, man, because you guys are crushing it tonight. Are you guys gonna go bar for bar or what, man? Let me see, man. Let me see. Money SFX, man. Sketch. Coming through clean. Coming through clutch. Sketch, man. Sketch, if you want me to do a let me get some type of money sound effect going. I need like a ching ching sound effect, man. Let me get a ching ching sound effect. Let me get something going. Let me get something going. Sketch, Michael, Cozy. There we go. There we go. There we go. Took me long enough. Let's go. Thank y'all so much, man. I truly appreciate it. Truly appreciate it, guys. Thank y'all. Yeah, that's a easy 10x right there, though, Michael. Here we go again. Blah, Sketch. I thought it was, yes sir, I'm off for now. Have a great stream, dudes. Hey, thank you, Matthew. Thank you for tuning in. You know, next time, be sure to tune in the next stream. You know, we have fun over here, you know. But yeah, if you're tuning into the stream, man, like the stream, subscribe, turn on all notifications. Become a channel member to support further, man. We're going to be doing channel member live streams and trying to find gems. As the channel grows, it's going to, you know, the OGs are the OGs that are here are gonna be the people that, you know, more than likely get access to like finding new gems and stuff like that, because eventually I'm gonna get to a point where we're gonna get to a point where we find gems, man. We're gonna find gems together early, man. You know, and we're gonna crush it because we're gonna work as a movement. We're gonna be a team in this thing, man. We're gonna be a well-oiled machine in the BD family to find gems, get our X's, and get out. We're gonna be a well-oiled machine, man. Well-oiled machine. But yeah, Casper looking great here. I still think we're gonna retrace back down to these ranges. That's what I think. You know, I'm just being realistic, and then we're gonna consolidate and bounce. That's what I think is gonna happen. If we like Ear said, come up October, which is a few days away for October, we could start breaking out here. We could just do like a, you know, wreck the beer situation where we just bink, you know, and people are like, what? I thought it was gonna retrace. I had a short. Because right now people are shorting Casper because they think it's gonna come down to these levels, right? People are shorting Casper right now. I see some traders charts that they're shorting Casper, right? For those of y'all that don't know what leverage is, so like you put in a loan on an exchange to be like, okay, I think Casper's gonna get here, and then you get you put in you're gonna get more money if it goes down to these levels, whether it's 5x, 10x, 20x more, right? So there's people shorting cash right now, right? But the shorts may get wrecked. Bonk. You know, the shorts may get wrecked, man. Let's see. You got Hello and G-File. Hello and G-File are cool, man. I got G-File. I personally don't have any Hello, but I like G-File. G-File doing pretty good. G-File doing pretty good here, man. G-File doing pretty good. G-File doing pretty good, man. I don't have any Hello though, but I think Hello will crush it. I do think Hello will crush it. Hello got all the influencers, all the YouTubers backing it, you know. I think Hello's gonna crush it. Yeah, Flux. Yeah, there are statistics that show like projects that never saw a bull run perform the best. So I don't disagree with you with that, Flux. You're on point with what you say there, saying projects that already seen a bull run, there's gonna be too much people to sell to break even. I agree with that. But some charts you just can't deny, you know. Sketch must have been lurking. Cozy, he was sure for sure. He was for sure like, whoa, Cozy's talking about me. Cozy's talking about me. I need another long shot game. Need another long shot game. What do you mean? You know, projects like you know, for example, like, you know, I spoke about this project, Crest Network. Spoke about this in the Telegram, right? I got a little bit of this. I didn't it's a high risk play, but this is the chart that performs the best going into bull runs, right? Cause it's brand new, right? So there's a ton of price discovery here, right? But it's still, you know, these are still risky plays. I just brought it up to show you guys an example of what I mean, like, of what, you know, what Flux is talking about. The projects that are new that never saw a bull run, their charts, you know, just do like what Casper does and just, you know, go up and to the right. Like Joystream, for example. That's another good example. I just spoke about Joystream. See how Joystream's chart is. You know, this is what you need. This is what you should be looking for at this point in time, man. These are the type of charts you should be looking for, right? These are the type of charts you should be looking for. Cozy. Cozy, thank you so much for the $10 dono. I appreciate it, man. You don't want to go bar for bar with Sketch, man. Sketch is lurking. Sketch about to take some of his Shiba Inu profits and show you what's good, man. Don't go bar for bar with Sketch, Cozy. You need another long shot game coin. We talked about a few already. GFAL, Miria, Fab Welt. I'm gonna make a video speaking about gaming coins. Next stream I'm gonna do Sketch. It's not gonna be a dedicated ladies video, but it's gonna be about meme coins, right? Probably just use the thumbnail that I used from like my top 10 meme coins. People gonna be upset with me. And this is the thing, I'm not a paid shill, man. I'm not getting paid to talk about any project on the channel. I have done promotions in the past, you know. I will admit that, you know. But I'm transitioning to be a much better, you know, content creator when it comes to the space, you know, because there's a lot of paid shills and I know there's a lot of negativity around that. So when I do talk about ladies, for example, I'm not getting paid to talk about ladies, you know. I'm not. It's just like I see something there, so I'm like, hey, you know, it's a meme coin, let's have some fun, right? And it's the same thing with all the meme coins I talked about. People are like, oh, meme coins are crap. And guess what? When they start running and people start FOMOing into them, what you gonna say? You know. So Sketch, I got you for the next stream. I'll probably use this same thumbnail right here. I'll probably use the same thumbnail or maybe just readjust it a bit, you know. I'm probably readjust it for the next stream after this, after the Casper stream. But yeah, Casper holding up pretty nice. You love to see it. Casper holding up pretty nice, and yeah, I mean this is my lines, man. We'll see if my lines play out. Okay, I've already drew my lines. If I was a trader, I would be putting in a short in CAS as well to get some money. I'll be honest. I put in a short in CAS, get a little profit, like 20% short on a 10x, 20% 10x short, which brings me up to 200% short profits. That's what I'd be doing right now if I was a trader, right? And then I'd close a short at 42 cents. This is where I close a short on this line right here. This is where I close my short, right? Because after it hits this resistance level, it could start bouncing, you know. So yeah, I got my lines drawn for CAS. That's what I see in the price action. We'll see if I'm right or not. I'm up 5 though. Good afternoon in Texas. What's up, Francisco? Have 25,000 CAS, 500 Flux, 1,000 Moonbeam, 100 Changelink, 500 XRP, 200 million Pepe, 2 million Wheat Loon C. Wait for bull run. Let's go, Francisco. Nice bag you got. Nice diversified bag. I personally though, Francisco, I would take a look at my video that I made, so you could get more exposure to some smaller caps that have a lot of potential. Take a look at this video I made, top 5 altcoins to buy now for the bull run. Take a look at this video I made on my page. You know, instead of having projects like not saying XRP and etc are bad, but Chainlink, Moonbeam, for example, Loon C, Flux, they already saw a bull run, you know, and they're already at like big market caps. So maybe getting some exposure to smaller caps could be a better trade, you know, in my opinion, you know, just my opinion. Sketch says thanks. Flux, I only have coins that already had a bull run. If it is a top 10 like BTC, ETH, ADA. Also, I have Matic. Yeah, nice altcoins there. BTC, ETH, Bitcoin, of course, Bitcoin, ETH, ADA, Matic. Yeah, those are, you can't go wrong with those. Those are guaranteed gains. Like Cardano, Matic, those are like guaranteed 10x's right there, in my opinion. Even ETH potentially will be like, even if it's not a full 10x, everybody, you know, expecting the $10,000 Ethereum. Everybody expecting the $10,000 Ethereum. So it's, even if it's not a full 10x, it's still gonna, you know, be nice gains there for Ethereum, right? And of course Bitcoin as well. What is that? 3x on Bitcoin if it goes to 100k, 3.5x. But yeah, Caspers, if you're tuning in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on all notifications, share with your friends and family, become a channel member. Feel free to donate as well to help keep the lights on, man. So your super chats really help out, you know, with the viewership and etc. Because yeah, crypto channel viewership is abysmal. I made a video and got like 100 views on it. Like, where is it? I was like, wait, ain't no way this got 174 views. Just to show you how abysmal the viewership is. I'm at 5k subscribers. I'm already growing my crypto. I'm already growing my Christian channel. I'm already making my Christian channel, right? And it's already doing so well, you know. Crypto channels, you know, the viewership is super difficult to grow, right? So yeah, I appreciate any support, you know, with you know, any donations, etc. You know, truly appreciate it, guys, from the bottom of my heart. Maybe a post Telegram link just in case people haven't joined that. Sure, Dave. There we go. Cozy, honestly, it's the least I could do. You've really helped me out. No problem, Cozy. Always happy to help, guys, you know. And I tell you, we're gonna be building a well-oiled machine here, right? We're gonna be we're gonna be like, I'm not gonna be one of those influencers that don't listen to you guys. I'm always gonna be open to criticism and open to any projects y'all think or have, you know, any projects y'all think have potential. I'm always gonna be open to it. We're gonna be a well-oiled machine here, you know. All of us with the goal to make gains, man, going into the bull cycle, you know. That's the goal here. Financial freedom, man. But yeah, if you're a Casper and if you're just tuning into the stream, man, join the Telegram link. Join the Telegram. Here's the link in the chat. Here's the link in the chat. Join the Telegram. Oh, there's a new Telegram member, Dave. Next video I make, I'm gonna be talking about some gaming projects. You know, 5 gaming projects I think have very much potential. Mucho potential. Mucho potential. You know, because people are gonna be looking for, like, in my opinion, people are always gonna be looking for ways for them to diversify their portfolio. Again, just make sure you got some cash in the portfolio, and then you start the diversification. Oh my gosh. Make sure you got cash first, and then you start to diversify, in my opinion. Not financial advice. Not financial advice. Not financial advice. Not financial advice. But yeah, again, Caspians, if y'all are tuning in, man, feel free to talk to me in the chat, man. Let me know where y'all from. Where are you guys from, man? I see people from Texas, Chicago, Switzerland, Amsterdam, Australia. You know, feel free to talk to me in the chat, man. Let's engage with each other. My meme play for the upcoming bull run is Pepe, nothing else. Canada here. Yeah, Pepe. Pepe looks like the move, man. Like, Pepe really looks like the move, man. I'm telling you. You know, even with the FUD, man, it's not gonna stop. It's not gonna stop the most iconic meme from, like, making people life-changing gains, man. You know, you see, it's already coiling up here on the day chart. It got resistance here, so it could retrace back down, because I want it to come down to this level right here at 42 cents. But if October is bullish, and going into the end of the year is bullish, you know, maybe time to start DCAing into Pepe here, even though it's up, man. Maybe time to start DCAing into Pepe here, man. I think Pepe is gonna be like, I still believe Pepe is gonna be the biggest meme coin sender going into the bull run. I still believe that, you know. I still believe Pepe is gonna be the biggest meme coin sender. It's the only other project in the, like, think about it, guys. There's 2 projects that have hit $1 billion market cap since the bear market, right? It's Pepe and KAS. Those are the only 2. That's it. I want Pepe to come back down to that 150 mil market cap range, but I don't think I'll get it. I don't think I'll get it. But if it does, I'm ready. I'm ready. Just join the Telegram. Hey, thank you, Paul. Canada. Hey, shout out to Canada, man. I got friends in Canada. Maryland, ladies, and Pepe. Hey, ladies, man. How ladies doing? Let's see. Take a quick look at ladies. Let's see. Again, always holding up pretty good here for this meme, man. Tell you, man, crypto.com ain't selling, man. Not until the bull run. Not until the bull run. Crypto.com ain't selling until the bull run, man. So, ladies just holding up, doing good, just chilling. You love to see it. Ladies just chilling. You should use a Casper crypto chart. I think it's more accurate. What chart? I think I'm fine here. I'm using the Mexi chart. This is the I think it's fine with the Mexi chart, man. I ain't had no issues with the Mexi chart. Remember when I was talking about, for example, you remember when I was talking about, next we got to break these resistance for KAS to go to a new all-time high, and it did, right? It did. I thought we were gonna keep pushing to 6 cent, like I said. My 6 cents line is still there, you know. But we didn't hold that, so we retraced. So I think the chart I got is cool. I don't have any issues with it personally. Let's see. Ladies is the one. Hey, you never know, man. Oh, it shows more of his history. Yeah, okay, yeah, cool. I think I'm chilling though. Ladies pop, a lot of us gonna be financial free overnight. People from Pepe 2 should join lady. What happened to Pepe 2, man? I talked about Pepe 2 with all that hype going on Pepe 2, man. What's Pepe 2 doing? Yo, meme coins just come and go, man. That's why people don't talk about them. But they're fun, man. They're fun. They're fun. Oh, yeah, it's chilling at 3 mil market cap. Okay. Chilling at 3 mil market cap. Still on these exchanges. They're still tweeting too, man. It's still active, man. They're still active. They're still active. They don't have that edge, though. They don't got that crypto.com edge. They don't got that crypto.com edge, Tony. They don't have that crypto.com edge. They don't got that edge, man. They don't got that edge in the sand, man. We'll be on sketch type time. You gonna be on sketch. I tell you, man, Sketch gonna use his Shiba Inu gains and just, you know, surprise the chat when we going into the bull run, man. I'm telling you. He gonna surprise the chat. He already surprised the chat many times. Sketch don't play. Sketch does not play. People still think BTC hasn't bottomed. Okay. As far as what we could see for Bitcoin, I think we could retouch. Let's see where we at. Look. There was always a dump after a Fed pivot. You know, remember, the only reason we're in this terrible predicament is because of the Fed and the interest rate hikes, right? So there's always a dump after the Fed pivot. So I wouldn't be surprised we see this range again for Bitcoin after the Fed pivot. Because the Fed gonna have to pivot to start reducing rates again. And every time in history when there's a Fed pivot, there's a dump. So I wouldn't be surprised we revisit the 22,000, 20,000 levels for Bitcoin one more time before we start going ballistic. Because, you know, after the Fed pivots, they start to, you know, there's going to be the dump, and then they start to reduce the interest rates, and then candles, high candles. So let me show you guys, for example, Fed pivot. It always happens. It always happens. Let me see if I can get a clean image for you guys. Fed pivot. Is this HD? Yes, it's HD. Awesome. Let me zoom in and show you guys. So look here. Every time in history, even in the last cycle with the pandemic, right? Fed pivot, dump. Dump in all the markets. Fed pivot, dump, right? Fed pivot 2018 to 2020, dump. That was the pandemic dump at the Fed pivot, right? And then we had a in the last cycle, right? So I think we're gonna see one more crash down at the Fed pivot, like, because history repeats itself. History repeats itself, right? So we're gonna come back down one more time for Bitcoin, maybe 22K, 22 or 20K, and then we yeah. Yeah. Yeah, ear. But yeah, man, we're gonna end the stream off here, Caspians. If you hold 10,000 Casper, don't think you don't have a good bag, man. Don't think it's, you know, obviously I know it's tough, inflation. You know, you go to the grocery store, you spend a couple $100, you're spending like hundreds of dollars and only get like a few items. I know gas is extremely high and you ain't got a lot of money to invest. So even if you could just get 10,000 Casper, man, and Cas goes to $1 to $5, potentially $5, that's $50,000 from $500, man. Tell me you ain't happy for that, man. Tell me you ain't happy for that, man. Come on, man. Caspians, once again, thank y'all for so much for tuning in. Everybody that's watching in the stream, thank y'all so much for tuning in. All the donations, all the likes. Become a channel member, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on all notifications, share with your friends and family. Let's keep crushing it. Join the Telegram group. Let's keep crushing it. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.